Why should you trust me with your software? Not because I write code, because I make engineering decisions that last. I'm Muhammad Tabarak, a software engineer, founder of Devinsol. I don't see software as features. I see it as systems, trade-offs, and long-term responsibility. Studying software engineering taught me to think, to analyze problems, and design systems that last for years. Google and AWS certified, top rated on Upwork. These aren't just milestones, they're proof that consistency builds trust. I build production software and maintain it long term. Shipping is just the start. Reliability is the real challenge. At Devinsol, we leverage AI-driven workflows to enhance productivity and deliver cost-effective, high-quality software at speed. Frameworks come and go, but elite engineering remains constant. Every reliable system begins with a single, well-executed decision. I'm Muhammad Tabarak. Subscribe to Think Like an Engineer and solve real problems. Top rated on Upwork.